Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. I am your narrator, Frank Avella. Here we're going to look at some tips and strategies to save money. Let's start with my biggest problem for wasting money, which is eating out. It's not just the cost of food, but paying tips, driving to the store, delivery fees. Second, use coupons and discounts. If you're not saving money, then you're losing money. Too many people avoid coupons because they are embarrassed. Don't be embarrassed. I used to buy my wife a piece of jewelry or something similar for special occasions. However, she would always tell me that those gifts aren't from the heart. If you really want to start saving money, you should track where money is spent. Just like tracking calories can help lose weight, so does tracking money. Easily identify your biggest expenditures. Using cash is better than building up interest on a credit card. If you can't afford something, then you can't afford something. Don't go into debt for material objects. Food shopping can be a big expense. Make a list of essential things you need to buy and then only buy those. There are so many delicious temptations. Everyone should have an emergency fund. It's very important. This can be in the form of a savings account. God forbid something happens in life where you need cash. At the end of the year, we're always going to have to pay taxes. You have the option to pay more up front. This way I get more on my tax return as opposed to owing during tax season. The 24 rule describes waiting 24 hours before making any big decision. Ask yourself if the expenditure is actually worth it. Wait 24 hours. Next, drink more water. Water bottles are cheap, even cheaper if you use a water filter. Also, drinking water will fill up your stomach and cut down on the amount of consumption of food. When you go to a restaurant, water is also free. Buy generic over name brand. Generic water, for example, may be a third of the price of a name brand. Eliminating your debt can save you money. If you can afford to pay off a credit card, then do it. People that build wealth don't spend money, they invest money. Invest money into assets such as stocks, bonds, rates, ETFs, real estate, certificates of deposit. Do your research first, however. You should pay the important bills first. For example, pay your mortgage before you pay the cable. Having a roof over your head is a higher priority than being able to watch the New York Jets. Goals are important for any of life's endeavors, including saving money. Set money-saving goals, such as I want to have an extra $500 each month. Today, there are a number of different money-saving apps that are available. Acorn is one example where the change that is left over is used to invest and accumulate wealth. Canceling unneeded subscriptions can save some money. Subscriptions may be in the form of magazines, newspapers, digital streaming, and many, many more. And on to my last tip, which is to make use of the library. You can use all these different things for free just as long as you return them. They have movies, books, and even free internet with computers. Anyway, right now I want to say thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, please share this video, and check the description for resources, and have a blessed day.